Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here to share a quick unboxing of a toothbrush. But it's not any toothbrush, guys. This is the new Xiaomi T700. And folks, I've been waiting to unbox this here on the channel. Let's not waste any time and have a look. And honestly, folks, I picked this up over the weekend for 599 Hong Kong dollars. That's just about 70 US dollars. So not a cheap toothbrush here, but definitely they're top of the line. I've been meaning to get a replacement for my Dr. Bay toothbrush for a while, but let's go ahead and tear off the plastic and then run down the quick specs before unboxing this awesome toothbrush. Here we go. And I gotta say, presentation-wise, this unboxes almost like a phone. This box is super premium, and it really means you're getting one of Xiaomi's top ecosystem products. And look at that graphic, it looks incredible. Now flipping it over, and I want to share the key specs of this toothbrush. We have a full effect, ultra thin toothbrush head, stepless power adjustment, easy to connect to the Mi Home app, and we have brushless ultrasonic motor. So this is an ultrasonic toothbrush, and you know Philips SONICARE brushes can go into the hundreds of dollars. So this is actually offering that same ultrasonic capabilities at a much lower price, with a smart LED screen and wireless charging as well. We also have IPX7 water resistance. This thing is a beast. And yes, I am unboxing a toothbrush on Frankie Tech. Lifting the lid, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is seriously premium stuff we're talking about here. Look at this set. That is really impressive. Of course, we have the toothbrush itself, and it looks to be the, what is this? One of the toothbrush heads. Two come actually included with this unit. And what do we got here? We got the wireless charging puck. Very nice premium build. I mean, as far as toothbrushes go, this is even more premium in terms of an unboxing experience than even Philips SONICARE. And of course, you have your user guide, and you have your warranty notice in multiple languages as well. So here we go, taking the toothbrush out itself and tearing off the plastic. Here we go. There we go. That is the Xiaomi T700 smart toothbrush. Really premium looks. We're going to go ahead and open up one of these toothbrush heads. Now, a quick question that I was thinking of was, are these the same toothbrush heads as the ones on the T500 and the other Xiaomi smart toothbrushes? I will have to check, but I do think you're going to need special toothbrush heads specifically built for the T700. And let's go ahead and plug that in. Fully plugged in. And let's power on. Wow. And as you can see, you have different modes, even a favorite mode that you can set up, standard and G as well. Power that off. And how cool is this? Once you've installed the head, you can see you have different modes, stepless power adjustment. And here are the key modes. You can see S is standard mode for daily oral hygiene. G is gentle mode for sensitive teeth, and then a custom mode, a 2-minute advanced mode by default. Now, of course, the stepless adjustment means that you'll be able to cycle through these various levels of power. But even cooler is this brushing score. So after each session is completed, you will get a score for how well you brush your teeth. And if your brushing score is over 95, you will get a little crown for your efforts. That is hilarious. So there's just one last thing to do for this video, guys, and that is to go ahead and test this out. So let's have a look how Frankie Tech does with the first brushing with the Xiaomi T700 smart toothbrush. Here we are, folks, to test out the Xiaomi T700 toothbrush. Gonna power it on and try it out. Definitely feeling it. Let's switch to gentle mode. A little bit more relaxed here. Keep your gums clean and your teeth clean, folks. And as you can see, the entire thing is completely waterproof, so no worries rinsing this off in your sink. All done with my first toothbrushing with this T700. It showed me a 0 for a score. I think you need to set up with the app to start measuring the score. But all in all, guys, this is an incredible ultrasonic toothbrushing experience. If you really want the best for your teeth and gums, this is it, guys. This is it. Thanks, Frankie Tech. This thing is so cool, guys. And I gotta say, for the price, yes, it is a little bit steep as a smart toothbrush. I think the 400, 300 Hong Kong dollar range, like that $40, $50 range, is probably more the sweet spot for you guys to consider. But if you want the premium and most ultimate Xiaomi smart brush experience on the market, well, there you have it, guys. Look no further than the Xiaomi T700 smart toothbrush. Your teeth and your gums will thank you for it. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Xiaomi T700 smart toothbrush? And hit me up in the comments. What other Xiaomi smart products do you use day to day? I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for future updates. Gonna be using this one, guys. And if you did want to see a follow-up after a couple weeks of use, do let me know. I'll be happy to provide it. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Time to get my brushing action, baby. Oh yeah.